flipping an image question. Major tech companies like Amazon, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given a binary matrix A, we want to flip the image horizontally, then invert it and return the resulting image. To flip an image horizontally means that each row of the image is reversed. For example, flipping 1, 1, 0 horizontally results in 0, 1, 1. So basically we are flipping the numbers. So these two numbers become to the end and this one becomes to the front. To invert an image means that each 0 is replaced by 1 and each 1 is replaced by 0. For example, inverting 0, 1, 1 results in 1, 0, 0. So let's look at the examples. I believe we will understand better. This is the input 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and first we need to reverse each row. When we reverse 1, 1, 0, that becomes 0, 1, 1. 0 goes to the beginning and the others goes to the... So we are basically flipping from the middle. 1, 0, 1 stays the same because 1 goes this side, 1 goes this side, so nothing changes. And 0, 0, 0 stays the same as well. Then we need to invert the image. To invert the image, we are basically making all the zeros 1 and all the ones 0. For example, in this case, 0, 1, 1 becomes 1. This turns into 1, 0, 0. This one turns into 0, 1, 0. And 1, 1, 1. We are turning zeros into ones into zeros. Let's see the second example in the whiteboard. So first we need to reverse the image. To reverse the image, we are moving all the all the numbers in the beginning to the end and the ones in the end to the beginning. So we are basically swapping. Ones go to the right and zeros go to the left. We're reversing. This will not change because 1 goes right, 1 goes left, same. Zeros are changing same. This one, all the ones go to the left, 1 goes to the left. Actually, I can explain better if we do it. So we are reversing this one now. So to reverse this one, first this one becomes here, first item. Second one again, this one goes to the beginning. Now this one goes to the end. Then this 0 goes to the end. So this is how we reverse this. And same for this one. Let's do it. So this 0 comes to the beginning. We are moving this 0. 0. Then this 0 comes to the beginning. Then this 0 goes to the end. And finally this 1 goes to the end. So we are putting two pointers, one in the beginning and one in the end when we are swapping. Then we're moving pointers towards each other. That's what we do. And to invert the image, we make all the zeros 1 and all the ones 0. So these two zeros become 1, 1 and two ones 0, 0. Then second row, 1 becomes 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 again. 3 ones become 3 zeros and 0 becomes 1. And 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So let's see this in the code and how it works. So we put 2 pointers. We go through the linked and link of the matrix, and we put 2 pointers here, one left, one right. And as long as left pointer is less than right pointer, we start incrementing. We swap the numbers in the matrix. The left and right is swapped. Then make the right as well. And make these 2 pointers walk towards each other. So in this case, for example, let me explain here. So we have 2 pointers here, one here, one here. And these are going towards each other. As we go, we are swapping the numbers, saving the current number in the temp, making the new left to the end number. Then what we saved in this temporary variable becomes the new right. And that will be the new right. Yeah. Then we move left and right pointers. Then in the next for loop, we go through the items again, and this time, for example, we have one binary number here. To make it 1 minus 0 will become 1. So to turn it into 1, we need to subtract from 1. 1 minus 0 becomes 1. And if it's 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So this is how we invert the image numbers. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1. And this is pretty much it. And finally, we return the matrix. And let's submit and see. Okay, this one works. So there's an easier way of doing this. Basically, in that one, you put 2 pointers here. And if you see the same numbers, you simply flip the numbers and make the pointers walk towards each other. That's how we do it. That's much simpler, but that's memorizing. That's why I show in the explanation here how we do it, what's the logic here. All you need to do is actually understanding this part. We save the left in the temp, then changing the left and making it equal to right. Then right becomes temp that we saved here. Left is changed here, temp becomes right. So this is pretty much it. I have more videos coming up, so if you subscribe to my channel, we'll meet again soon. Thanks very much.